cream. Right. First bite. Hi foodies, on this episode of Hot New Bites, I'm going to taste Kiss Baking Pistachio Cupcake. I've been searching for this everywhere, so let's see what's going. So, okay, I might have crushed it. So this is how it looks. It looks kind of different from what I'm used to, but there's a lot of cream in it. Ooh. It smells like pistachio. I would hope so. Alright, so cream. Alright, first bite. I'm not a lover of pistachio, so this is like my honest opinion as someone who doesn't. I eat pistachio, but I don't like the ice cream per se. But this tastes good. Yeah, they did the big one. Mhm. Mhm. You can go on. You can go on. You can go on. Mhm. Mhm. As usual, Kiss Cake is not dry, so it's fluffy, nice. It's what should I say? I love that the I love that the I love that the wait. Let me just try one more. Hmm. Yes, I love that the pistachio is subtle. It's not overpowering, right? Mm-hmm. Just like real kiss cake. Mm. Mm-hmm. It man, it. I like it, man. I like it. I like it. I like it. Kiss baking. The kiss cake name. Anyway, but this tastes really, really good. I'm not lie. I'm not going to lie. It tastes good. Definitely recommend. Thank you guys for watching. Big up on yourself and see you guys on the next bite.